Let me show you what we prepared for the heating distribution. Starting from the basement, we arranged the main pipe routes to reach the different shafts. In this way, all the heat interface units have been connected to the central heating source. For this installation, we used different kinds of multi-layer pipes, the Uponor MLC pipes and the Uponor Unipipe Plus. The connections have been managed with Uponor RS and S-Press Plus fittings. The pipe diameters have been calculated according to best practices in your market. All the information, like the pressure drop, the velocity, and the linear pressure drop, has been stored inside the pipes. Our heat interface unit represents a very compact solution where the manifold for the underfloor heating is already included in the cabinet. According to the calculation results, we configured two distinct kinds of combo ports, depending on the different capacity of producing domestic hot water, DHW. This value depends on the size of the apartment and number of plumbing fixtures. All the calculated parameters have been stored inside the BIM component. Since it is impossible for all water heaters to be in operation at the same time, we used a simultaneity factor compliant to your market and to the type of building to make our calculation. In the model, according to our standards, you can find views, schedules, and sheets dedicated to each system designed. For the primary heating circuit, you will find the information in the views and sheets dedicated to heating. For each project level, we prepared a floor plan with the layout of the installation. For example, in the view of the basement, you can see highlighted diameters, elevation, risers positions, and main dimension of the primary heating circuit. All tags and symbols have been described in the legends positioned in each sheet. From the legend, you can check the standard used for the pipe's insulation and the description of all the valves used. To keep all the sections of the shaft, we created a dedicated sheet. In these views, we keep the reference plan and all the tags containing the meaningful information for this type of project. For the project, we prepared different kinds of schedules to report the results of the calculations and to store information about product quantities. In these schedules, you can find the information regarding the quantity of pipes and fittings used in the project. In the schedules, for heat interface units, you can find the list of all the flat stations in the project grouped by level and with all the most valuable information assigned. This information is also reported in the sheets where the heat interface units are visible. There is a schedule containing information regarding the heating source. Here you can read supply and return temperature, total pressure drop, mass flow, and system capacity. The information about the installation is stored in the Schedule 2.3. Here you can find all the calculation data assigned to the pipes. We have a dedicated schedule with the valves placed on the pipe routes. Highlighted, you can see the value of the pressure drop on the valve.